Hello, what I'm baking today? Cacao cake. We need 500 gram around 17.5 ounce all-purpose flour, 2 handful of nuts, 100 gram around, same amount of grains, baking powder of course, 1 glass of or little less sugar, 1 glass of milk, 1 glass of canola oil or olive oil, 4 eggs, lemon zest, and cacao of course. You can use vanilla too. So besides then cacao, mix all your ingredients together and well. On the other hand, we will use a little bit butter too. On our pan, for our own pan, and pour your cake mix around half of them, not all of them, just like this. We mix all cake ingredients, and now the rest of the cake mix is still nicer. Use a little bit cacao because we want to make a cacao mix here. So mix well with your cacao and cake mix. Just like this. Because we want to make a 2-color cake. When I was little, I liked this kind of cacao cake with 2 colors. Yes, use the second mix inside of your cake, or you can use any kind of different shape or decoration. It's up to you. So I made it like this time. So now we will give this in our oven around 400 Fahrenheit to 75 Celsius degree, and 40 to 45 minutes we will bake this. This is very healthy because we use grains and nuts. And cacao is, serotonin, it means happiness. Of course, this is lots of energy, but if you don't eat too much, 1 slice or 2 slices a day, you will not gain too much weight too. Yes, now you are seeing the results. We will wait to cool down around 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and after that we can cut and test. It is good for morning hours with your coffee, or afternoon hours when you're at office or at home, I don't know, or if kids coming from school when they are hungry and in a hurry. It is good with your milk, I don't know, I don't suggest soda, but with coffee or tea. Yes, now I cut it. You can cut as you wish. Now we can test. Looks and smell very delicious. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.